thanks for coming to science. This is we're having a really fun day at science because we can make shadows. And so we have all these different things, and you can choose to do an experiment and see what kind of shadow you can make. What do you want to start with?
This.
Oh.
This is my name.
Yeah, this is the letter
Y.
Y, like in Lynette or for Yo-Yo.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so do you want to hold the flashlight and I'll hold the Y?
Like this.
What kind of shadow do you see?
Like a Y.
It's like a Y, and
You can see this part.
now maybe we could open up the screen a little bit more.
Oh, okay.
And then look, if I move the Y back,
You can't see it. It disappears.
yeah, but if you move the Y closer,
It gets darker.
and maybe a little smaller. And this is called opaque.
Okay.
Opaque because it's blocking, because look, if we do this flashlight, it's called opaque because it's blocking light from getting through. It's a dark shadow.
Dark shadow. Opaque.
Which one, what else one do you want to try? You want to try the corn?
Yeah, I like to.
Okay, do you want me to hold the corn or would you like to hold it?
You. I hold the flashlight.
Okay. So what kind of shadow do you see?
It's like a corn.
It's
And
like
you
a
can see
corn.
the bumpy.
You can see the bumpy on the corn, right? And then if we move it, it gets bigger. And if you move closer, it gets darker.
and smaller.
Yeah, and this is opaque too because it's not letting any of the light through.
It's blocking all the light.
Yeah, it's blocking the light. Let's try this. This is a piece of plastic. What kind of shadow do you think this is going to make?
Not a big one.
Okay, let's try.
Let's find out about it.
Yeah, because look, it's a lot of the light gets through.
I see the flashlight.
And the shadow is really light. How about one more thing? Let's pick one more thing
the
to
Legos.
show. Okay. Am I going to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what happens?
Oh, I can see the top of the Legos on the paper.
Yeah, that's right. The little circles. What happens if you move the flashlight back? Does anything happen different to the shadow?
It looks bigger and darker.
Could be maybe a little bit bigger and darker. Sometimes it's fun to move the flashlight or move the Legos and see what happens. What happens to the shadow? This shadow's pretty dark because this one's opaque again. That's not letting any of the light through.
Can we try one of the stuffed animals?
Yeah, which one?
The red one.
So it's kind of like it's opaque too because the shadow's really dark. If the shadow is dark, then we know that the object is opaque.
Yeah.
Remember we said the shadow is light, like the plastic, and that's called transparent.
Transparent and opaque.
Thanks for playing.
You're welcome.
Thank you.